Alright, so we're going to try and figure out the meaning of a y-intercept within the context of a problem. So I've made up this little problem here that a golf ball travels 250 yards at a speed of 75 yards per second, and then with a push from the wind, the ball's speed increases by that amount, however many yards per second that the wind is blowing behind it. And the function t of x, t for time, equals 250 over 75 plus x, gives the time that it takes the ball to travel that 250 yards with a push from the wind. So what does the y-intercept mean? Okay, so let's get a fresh look at this. We're going to talk about the t of x, which equals, let me look back at it, 250 over 75 plus x, okay? 250 over 75 plus x. And the y-intercept, an easy way to remember it is that it is the y value when x equals 0. And that's how you can always remember the intercepts. They are that value when the other one equals 0. So if I do 250 over 75 plus 0, that 0 right there means that the push from the wind, the push of the wind, is 0, or 0. And what does that mean? Well, that means there's no wind pushing. So that's the meaning of what it means to have the y-intercept talked about. And so if I put in that 0, this t at 0 would be the y-intercept, and so the y-intercept would be the time it takes the ball to travel 250 yards with no wind. So I hope that is helpful. Thank you so much for listening.